Everyone, and welcome to Stubbornville. Today we're taking a look at the Sound Blaster Live X Gamer 5.1 Dolby Digital. Earth-shattering gameplay with the power of 5.1 audio. This originally came out in the year 2000 at a price point of around $60. It came with the full four versions of Unreal Tournament, Deus Ex, MDK2, and Thief: The Metal Age. This is just an unboxing, and this will not be a demo. I'm just gonna slowly go around the box and then unbox what's in here. And yeah. This is not brand new. It was not used though. I recently opened it to do this video, and I just wanted to make sure everything was still in there, and if everything worked, and yes it does. This is a very sought after card for collectors and for retro gaming enthusiasts. Okay. Oh yeah, the bottom too. Here's the card itself. Here are all the pamphlets. Here's the microphone. Then I'm gonna do something just to make it a little easier. Open that up from the bottom. Release all the discs. Okay, I'm gonna set that over there. This is the project registration. There we go. There we go. This is the Ultimate Sound Blasting Companions. Sorry about it not focusing. Wow, that's really bad. I'm sorry. Well, I was just showing what you could also get as well companions to it to make games sound better. This is the getting started guide. Not going to go through that because it just shows you how to get started. Here's the CD and DVD audio cables to connect to your CD or DVD player. Here's all the installation CDs and drivers and all that. Here's the 2 MDK2, the part 2 to Thief 2, and then Deus Ex. Oh, where's Unreal? Oh, here it is. Oh, and then here's Unreal Tournament. These are all the full versions of the games, which, I mean, for $60, getting all these games, I mean, that's not bad. Even if it was like $80 in today's money, that's not bad at all. I'm just going to assemble the microphone because it'll take a couple seconds. So you just slide this piece right into here. I did test this microphone. It actually sounds fairly decent. I mean, at least for an 18-year-old microphone. I mean, it's not good per se, but it's half decent. Yep, and then there we go. Slide that into there, and there we go. Just twist up and down. Okay, now let's get into the card. I have tested it and it does work just fine and it sounds fantastic. I will not be showing any in this video, but maybe in a later video. This is the Sound Blaster Live model SB0060. Here are all the ports for audio in, audio out, subwoofer, and so on and so forth. Here's, I believe it's either a game port or gamepad port. There's the other side with all the stickers and FCC and all that. And yeah, this is it. I mean, it's nothing much, but just thought I'd make a video about it. And well, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.